7 finished die etched into it. As you can see, they're just one after the other, rows and rows and rows of them. One mask was used to produce this, or I should say one collection of masks, because each of these die is not just one image that's put on this wafer. It's a stacked series of images, usually 20 or more layers. And through the photolithographic process, material is coated onto the wafer, then it is etched with the ultraviolet laser, then portions are washed off, and we literally have like a cake building process, a layer upon layer upon layer, until this very complicated series of circuits is assembled. Then, once the wafer is complete, the individual die are then cut out of it. So then we end up